Hey everyone, today we are going to try to create an HD morph with a DhdmGen morph ZBrush plugin. First we are going to select the Genesis 8 female and send it to ZBrush with the bridge, accept with deformation, and we will try to make a basic brush move topological, and we will turn on symmetry, reduce the intensity, draw size, and we will move only a little morph, and we will use the Z plugin, the DhdmGen. We will put no matter which displacement threshold we select, there will be some artifacts, and we go to the save base shape and we will call it HD test morph 03. We will save it. HD test morph 03. We can now go back to DAZ. We will call the morph HD test morph 03. We will accept it, then we will try to find that morph and we will save that morph asset, support asset, morph asset. We will find that morph under the morph section, ZBrush, call it the same HD test morph 03, find it in the end, accept, and now as we save that morph we can go to ZBrush and try to make some morph. We are selecting our brush, body details, for example floppy tree, and we will try to make some, we have to subdivide the geometry to 3, 4, and we will make some flabby morph, for example something like this. Nothing spectacular, but we will try to create this morph. And when we are done with the HD morph, we will go again to the Z plugin. No matter which displacement is set, it will generate some artifacts. Z plugin, generate HD DhdM, and we will call it HD. We have to select the previous HD test morph 03 and we'll call it HD test morph 03. Save, and now it should appear a message that the morph is successful. Yes, it is. And now we need to find that the DhdmGen file, HD test morph DhdmGen. Copy this file to the directory where the morph is. Morph file is HD test morph 03. We'll paste it here and call it the same as the DSF file. Then edit the DSF file, open with Notepad. We copy this line and paste it, for example here, and add in front HD URL. So DAZ it will recognize it, and you have to rename this DSDM DhdmGen, sorry, DhdmGen. We save this file and the morph is ready to go. Now we need to restart DAZ task and we will try to load in our newly created HD morph. Just a few seconds until DAZ load in with a new character. A few seconds of patience. A few seconds of patience. Because a Genesis 8 female figure should appear at any moment now. 6 minutes into recording, here we go. We select the Genesis 8 female, we set subdivision level to turn off the limits, turn it to 4, accept. It will need a bit of time so it will realize what is happening. Just a bit. Here it is. For subdivision level 4, render subdivision is also level 4, and now we find our newly created HD test morph, and turn off limits and for example crank it up to 200. There we go, our morph is working. However, the problem is that there are artifacts generated, for example here on the armpit. If you go 100 you can barely see it, but if you go 300 there are different artifacts can be seen on the body. For example, it's disastrous on the feet. This is a 0 morph and this is a 500 turn, that everything's turned like strange and the nails get deformed. So if you have multiple of these HD morph, the whole feet and body part will get deformed, and I am looking for the solution to turn these HD morph, to use these HD morph, but not have these artifacts and bumps on the body, different body parts of the Genesis 8 figure. There are also artifacts here on the legs and so on. Okay, we will not use this at this level, but either way it can be visible on 300. So it's on the feet and it's on the armpit and different parts of the body. So I hope you liked this video. If any of you have any solution, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.